How to redeem Roblox promo codes. You have to first head to a web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. Now to look for some of the latest Roblox codes, you have to type in Roblox promo code. Now from the results, you'll find tons of websites that have Roblox promo codes with them. You just have to select any one of these. Now that you get to the website, you just have to look for the promo codes and select any one that you want to use. I want to select Tweet Roblox, so I'll just copy that. After that is done, let's head to Roblox. Make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Then once you get to the home page, click on the three dot icon on the bottom right corner. Now all you have to do is scroll down and click on this help button. Now in this page, on the search bar, we'll look for redeem code. Now go on ahead and click on how do I redeem a promo code. From here you just have to scroll down and here you can see go to the code redemption page. So go ahead and click on it. Finally you just have to paste the code that you copied earlier. Once that is done, click on redeem. Since I have already used this code before, this is what it says. But if you are using any new codes, then it should work out fine. So that is how you redeem Roblox code. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.